Sure, I can help you with that. Here's a YouTube video script about checking Grabpay spending. Do you ever feel like your money just disappears? One minute you're topping up your Grabpay wallet, the next you're wondering where all those ringgit, pesos, or dollars went. We've all been there. The convenience of digital wallets is fantastic, but it can also make it a little too easy to lose track of our spending. You tap, you pay, and before you know it, your balance is looking a bit leaner than you remember. It's like that favorite snack. You grab one, then another, then suddenly the whole bag is gone. With Grabpay, whether it's daily rides, your favorite food deliveries, or even that last-minute grocery run, the transactions can add up quickly. And while it's great to have everything at your fingertips, it's even better to have a clear picture of your financial health. Because let's be honest, knowing where your money goes is the first step to making it work harder for you. Without that insight, it's just a guessing game, and nobody wants to play that when it comes to their hard-earned cash. So, if you've ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering how much did I actually spend on Grab this month, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Grab app to uncover all the secrets of tracking your Grabpay spending. We'll show you exactly how to pull up your transaction history, understand what you're seeing, and even look at how to get more detailed statements. Let's make sure you're always in the know about your digital wallet. The good news is, Grab has made it pretty straightforward to keep tabs on your finances. The quickest and easiest way to check your recent Grabpay spending is directly within the Grab app itself. Simply open the Grab app on your phone. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a navigation bar. Look for the activity or payments icon. It usually looks like a small clock or a wallet. Tap on that. Once you're in the activity section, you'll likely see a list of your most recent transactions. You can usually scroll through this list to see your spending over the last few days or weeks. To get a more detailed view, look for an option like History or View All Transactions. This will give you a comprehensive breakdown. You can often filter these transactions by category, like food, transport, or mart, which is incredibly helpful if you're trying to budget for specific areas of your life. Now, what if you need to look back further than a few weeks? Maybe you're trying to reconcile your monthly budget or just want a broader overview of your spending habits. Grab typically allows you to view up to 6 months of transaction history directly within the app. If you need anything older than that, you might need to visit the Grab Help Center online. There, you can often request a more detailed transaction history, which can be downloaded as a PDF. This is super useful for record keeping or if you want to import your data into a personal finance tracker. Another neat feature to be aware of, depending on your region, is the option to receive daily or monthly Grabpay wallet statements via email. If you're someone who likes to see a regular summary of your spending without even opening the app, this is a fantastic tool. You can usually enable this setting within the Settings or Communications section of your Grab app. Just make sure your registered email address is up to date. Understanding your Grabpay spending isn't just about knowing how much you've spent. It's about empowering you to make smarter financial decisions. By regularly checking your transaction history, you can identify spending patterns, stick to your budget, and even spot any unusual activity. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in managing your money effectively. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.